Do you guys see any fish? Mm-hmm.
We also saw a lot of water bugs. I don't see any fish, but I do see some water bugs.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you see the water bugs?
Wow, okay.
Well, this time.
Davis, don't pick those leaves up, okay?
It's poison ivy.
It's not yet, but it could be. So.
Yeah, because poison ivy has 3 leaves. Whoa. Dad, I think we could have a snack now.
Okay.
But where could I put my binoculars?
Let's go up here.
That's in McDonald's cup. Chick-fil-A cup. I'm going to put my binoculars on one of these rocks.